Hi there! In this video, we will attempt to review the page, comments, and appearance options of WordPress Dashboard. Are you ready? Okay, let's see what's inside page option first. Let's try to add new page. So, let's go ahead and click on add new button, then type title for it. Let's put sample page for now. Then let's click on publish button. Now let's view the page. Let's open a new tab, then click on the new tab. There you go, that's our sample page. As you add new page, WordPress will automatically add new menu. You can see it on the main menu on the top right of your page. Now, let's close this page and go back to the dashboard. Now, let's say you decided not to have that page. So to delete that page, just tick on the new page. As you can see, there's some more options right here. We can click on that, or we can go right here and select move to trash. They do the same function anyway. So let's click on apply button. Now, the page that we created has been moved to the trash. Now let's see what's in comment option. In here we can see the list of comment. And of course, the same in other option, you can add, edit, or delete the items on the list. Let's try to add new comment. In my case, I will comment on my own post. Let's browse one of my posts. Let's click on the post and select a post on the list. And select open a new tab. And scroll down. Let's type some comment in the text area here. And click on post comment button. Soon as we click on the button, you will see your comment straight away by scrolling back down. There you go. Now, say you want to delete a comment. Let's go back to the dashboard. Click on the comment. As you can see, one of the comment has been added. You can see the given details of the user here as well. Let's delete it by doing exactly the same that we did in the page option. Select move to trash on the drop down menu and click apply. Now let's go back to the page and let's check if the comment that we made earlier has been deleted. Now the comment has been removed. That's all for comment. Let's move on to appearance option. Let's see what's in there. Let's click on themes first. Here we can add new or activate available theme. Let's activate this one. Now a new theme has been activated. Let's check it by hovering over on the site title, then view site. Let's close these tabs. Here we can see the styles and the color of the fonts are modified. Now let's go back to the dashboard and reactivate the previous themes. Let's view the site and see what it looks like now. There, it's back. Let's go back to the dashboard and look at widget section. Here we can see all available widgets. Widgets are some elements of your site that include some important information or function that user can use while browsing your site. Let's try to add and remove some features to see how we can control it. Let's click on manage with live preview. Now let's pick footer 1. Now let's try search. Let's click on remove. Notice that the entire search engine has been removed to the site. If you click on publish, the change will be saved and it will reflect on your live site. Now, to add it back again, let's click on the add widget. Let's use the search bar to easily find search widget. Here it is. Just click on it. Now, it's in the bottom of the footer. Now, how are you gonna reorganize it? So here, you can just grab and drop it to where we want it. Then click on publish. And that's that. You will see the search engine here. Now, let's go back to the dashboard and click on menus. Let's create new menu and name it main menu, then click on the button. As I told you before, the WordPress is automatically creating a menu for each page that you created. For instance, at the moment, we have blogs and home here. Let's select both and click to menu button. Let's set it up as automatic add and align it horizontally, then save it. Now, let's check the site. As we can see, both home and blogs are here. Now, let's put it to the test. Let's create a new page. Let's call it contacts and publish it. Now in the dashboard, let's hover over to the appearance, then click on menus. Here we can see that the contacts has been added. We are not going to do anything here, but let's see if the site has been updated automatically as well. As we can see here, the site hasn't been changed yet. But if I refresh it, bam, it's here. So, the reason why we need to do that is because the tab on our browser have only the previous tab downloaded from our server now. Since we do not have downloaded it yet, the tab is not updated. It's like telling the browsers to get update for our tab from our server. But at the moment, don't worry about it. It's not a big deal. Now, let's move on. Let's close the tab and click on the background section. Here, let's try to modify our background. Just click on the select image, select image from our media library, and click on choose image. Now it has been changed. Let's publish it. Go back to the dashboard, hover over on the site title and view the site. There you go. Now, let's revert it back to what it was. Let's go to the dashboard, click on background, click on remove and publish it. Refresh the tab. Bam! There you go. Now, let's go back to the dashboard and let's see what's in the theme editor. Here, we are prompted by a warning saying that we are about to mess up with our site's theme. But if you are a risk taker like me, let's hit it and say, yes, I understand. For the sake of our learning, I will take a risk. Now, I want to show you how to change the footer information. To do that, let's click on the theme footer. There. But wait, let me show you what I want to change. Let's go back to the site, scroll down, let's change this information. Now let's look for powered by WordPress here. Then let's change it by Tech-noy. Then update the file. Go back to the site and refresh it. What if we click on it? Ooh, it directs us to WordPress website. Let's change that to our local directory for now. Update the file and refresh it. Bam! Now go back to the site, refresh, and try to click on the link, and it will bring us to our local site. I know it gone too fast, but hey, pause it and come back again if you want to try it. And that's all for this video. Thank you for sticking by with me, and I'll see you in the next one. Paalam.